Welcome back, everybody. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Today we're going to be actually doing a video about AMC Entertainment. Before I start the video, guys, please make sure to leave a like on the video below. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Join the family, guys. Let's go on our investor journey together. So today we're going to be talking about AMC Entertainment. Everybody knows what AMC Entertainment actually is, but for people who do not know, AMC Entertainment is basically a big movie theater corporation, right? And a lot of this stock has definitely seen a lot of heat recently, obviously because of the whole short squeeze that's been going on with GameStop and BlackBerry, and AMC Entertainment is one of them. And it leads people to ask, is AMC going to $50? Is it going to $100? Is AMC actually worth the investment? I hope to answer all of those questions in this video. So let's dive in here. So looking at the one-year chart, I mean, this thing was trading around $3 to $4 a share. I mean, the stock has not been doing well ever since the pandemic kind of hit. Obviously, with the pandemic going on, people were not allowed to go to movie theaters, so the business really did take a pretty good hit, which did attract a lot of short sellers to the stock. Shorting essentially meaning that you basically sell the shares from a brokerage that they let you borrow, and then you repay them back at a bigger price. And as you guys can see here, if we take a look at the 1-month chart, while this thing was trading sideways and the whole short squeeze started to happen with GameStop and everything, we see this massive up pull with AMC Entertainment. And now it's currently sitting at $13.45. And it leads people to ask, how far can AMC Entertainment go? Well, you have to take a look at it. I don't think AMC Entertainment is going to follow the same footsteps as GameStop, just because GameStop is a special occasion, which it does hold a abnormally large amount of short float percentage. But AMC Entertainment also has a decent amount of short float as well, which did cause the stock to have a short squeeze. And it leads people to ask, is AMC Entertainment actually worth an investment? Now, for me, I do think AMC Entertainment is actually worth an investment. The reason I say this is not just because it's going through a short squeeze, but the company fundamentally just rolled out bankruptcy. So that's a very good sign. Now, why is this a good sign? Because there's a lot of companies out there that are not doing too well. A lot of companies had to file for bankruptcy. And so when AMC Entertainment actually said that, okay, they rolled out bankruptcy, like they're no longer going bankrupt, it caused the stock to actually do pretty well, showing that, okay, AMC Entertainment is not going bankrupt. And with the pandemic slowly going away, hopefully soon enough, we see a huge recovery. AMC Entertainment is actually going to do very well. Now, I know a lot of people argue with the whole streaming services and, with Netflix and Hulu and all these stuff getting a lot more popular, but you cannot beat an old classic watching a movie in a movie theater. It is a classic. It's always going to be around, in my personal opinion. So I could see AMC Entertainment actually holding some value towards in the long run. And I actually think people should pick up the stock at $13.45. It's actually not a horrible investment. And like I said, now that they rolled out bankruptcy, the company can actually see a lot of long-term growth. But about that in general, let's talk about how far AMC Entertainment can actually go. What's actually left in the stock? Is there still a lot of shorts left? So yes, the company still does have the potential to run up to $40, $30, $50, $60, just because AMC Entertainment also does hold a decent amount of short float, which could potentially cause another massive short squeeze. Now, I want people to be careful when investing in AMC Entertainment. Obviously, we've seen a lot of volatility with GameStop and BlackBerry and AMC Entertainment. And as you guys can see, in the last trading session, the stock is up 53%. And like I said, this is just due to the fact that a lot of people are holding short positions in AMC Entertainment, which did cause the massive rally. Not as big as GameStop, obviously, but I wouldn't rule out AMC Entertainment to actually have another short squeeze. I think with the markets being so volatile right now that anything is basically possible at this point. And I do think that AMC Entertainment is still subject to actually another short squeeze. If we look at the 1-week chart here altogether, like I said, you guys can see this massive short squeeze that did happen basically in the trading week. And then the stock kind of fell when they actually blocked off trading for AMC Entertainment, BlackBerry, and GameStop. Now, I think overall, I don't think actually Robinhood and all these brokerages were actually allowed to do that. They're probably going to definitely get some heat for that, because you can't stop trading stocks, or you can't stop at trading from a stock just based due to volatility alone, because essentially no one did anything wrong, and no one really basically did anything to the point where Robinhood actually had to halt these. So I could actually see, next week a prediction is actually the stock is definitely going to go up, in my personal opinion. Now, obviously, everything I say in my videos is not financial advice. It's just my personal opinion. So let's really dive in a little bit deeper. AMC Entertainment is still subject to a short squeeze, and it could still see potentially $50 to $60. That is without a question. But even from a long-term investment standpoint, buying AMC Entertainment is actually not a bad idea. I do think the company will have some relative value in the future once the pandemic starts to go away, once it starts to subside and we actually can go to the movie theaters again. I think the company is going to do very well. Like I said, they rolled out bankruptcy, which is a huge thing, and that's what kind of caused a short squeeze in the first place. But I just want everybody to be careful with the markets being so crazy. The markets definitely have been very, very volatile, and I want people to definitely be safe with their investments. I want people to make sure you're doing your due diligence always and make sure that if you guys are up a lot, just be careful with your investing strategies. AMC Entertainment is definitely going to see a lot of volatile trading in the upcoming weeks and the next trading sessions. So I want people to be careful, be safe with your money, and just know that only invest what you can afford to lose. That way you guys don't basically throw all your life savings on one play. But taking a look at it all together, AMC Entertainment is definitely going to see a huge volatile trading session, and this is definitely could potentially cause the stock to go up. Right now on AMC Entertainment, the short sellers are still kind of chill. They're not really like rushing to cover their short positions just yet. I do have a feeling that this stock is going to get pushed upward somehow. And I do think that with a lot of other companies like Nokia and BlackBerry as well, I don't think we're just done with them just yet. I do think we're going to see a lot of upward mobility, and I do think that we're going to see a lot of upward movement. With that being said, guys, that's all I really have to say about the video.